dimples just make life more interesting. Time for some fun! Woo! This makes me so happy! And the best part? There's no effort involved. That is pretty impressive. Oh well. Wow. Look at that. This case is crafted from the finest gold and silver and the most exclusive simple dimples. That is so cool! I know you're jealous. Oh, that feels good. I could do this all day. It's so much fun. Ooh, it does look fun. You've not seen anything yet. Watch what happens when I add glitter. I'll pour it into the dimples. That should be enough. And now I'll give it a push. It's amazing! I should have this everywhere I go. Are you watching? Do it again! Here goes! Silver. My second favorite color after gold. Woohoo! One more time! It's just the best fun! I have my own glitter room at home. She's so lucky. What's that? Maybe I can use this scrap of paper for some fun! Place a sheet of paper on a flat surface. Next, take a roll of tape and trace around it with a pencil. Remove the tape and use a pen to draw an emoji face. Just pick your favorite. Remember to add details and color. We want this to look good. Carefully cut the circle from the paper. Make a cut in the paper at the top. Fold the edges over each other so the paper pops out. Then secure it with some tape. Create a figure 8 out of paper, cut out the centers, and place the emojis on top of it. Place another figure of 8 shape on top and stick it down with tape. I've got my own simple dimple. And it works perfectly. Happy! Sad. Hey, that's a great idea! How do I look? Ridiculous. I love it! I love expensive cars. Daddy promised to buy me one just like this. And like this. But in the meantime, I'll make do with these. Vroom! Look at them go! Oh no, look out! Look at that! Wow, a unicorn! You're so lucky! I know. I'll show her. There must be a way I can get my own unicorn. Huh? How do you use these things? Are you going to turn me into a toad? No? Maybe later. I have something to do first. Don't be nosy. What's in there? Achoo! That was a bad idea. Flour? Oh, come on. You look so silly. Why do I bother? Hold on. I never knew I had these balloons. I know what to do! This is a great idea! First, you'll need a balloon. Take a funnel and turn it upside down. Stretch the balloon over the tip of the funnel. Then flip the funnel the right way up. Next, you'll need some flour. Pour the flour into the balloon using the funnel. That should be enough. Give the funnel a tap to shake all the flour into the balloon. Remove the funnel and tie a knot in the balloon. Make sure it's tight. Use scissors to cut off the excess from the balloon. Do this with different colors of balloons. Next, you'll need a bowl of soapy water. Place the balloons into the bowl. Move them around, coating them in the soapy water. Remove the balloons and dry on a towel. Be careful at this stage. We don't want to burst them. That looks good. Gently push the balloons together. They'll start to stick to each other. It worked! The balloons are so soft and squishy! Who needs fancy toys? Where did she get that from? It looks good. At least I have my cars. Vroom vroom. I don't need this. That won't do. Nope. Keep them coming! Yes! Aha! Being rich is thirsty work. This is interesting. I wonder if I can use this. This popsicle stick might come in handy. I have an idea. Fill the molds with water. Then add some food coloring. Give it a stir to mix it up. Fill each section of the mold with water and food coloring. Then place a popsicle stick into each section. Then pop it into the freezer. You just need to wait for them to set. These look great! I can't wait to try them! But they're not for eating! I'll use it to draw on this paper. I'll start by making a circle. And now some lines around it. And a little treat for myself. It's so yummy! What are you doing? You've never had a popsicle? Try it! Why not? I've always been artistic. A nice fluffy cloud. Maybe I'll have a quick lick. Oh, that's good! Oh, hold on. Let's wash it down with soda. Gee, thanks! It smells so good! I know! Start with an empty glass bowl and pour gelatin powder and soda into it. You only need a small amount of gelatin. Then give it a mix. Stir until the gelatin has dissolved. Next, fill a syringe with the mixture. Next, you will need a clean poppet. We're gonna fill the poppet with the soda mixture. Fill each bubble up, being careful not to spill any of the mixture. Allow the mixture to set. When you do, you'll have tasty treats. What do you think? Wow! They look great! Here you go! I can't wait to eat it! It's so good! I was looking for this at bath time. Quack quack, little guy! There must be something that'll entertain me. Oh, I know! I can buy some fun! I just need to wait. What are you doing now? Hey, careful! You're so strange. That should do it! It worked! Look at this! This is so fun! I love this! There's so much to do! Hey! Yoo-hoo! What is it now? Can I try it, please? Go ahead. I can't show her where I keep my money. I have enough money. Whatever. Got it! Look at all these teddy bears! Ugh, focus. I'll put this in the case. Please work! It's so exciting! Huh? What's this? This is so disappointing. Or maybe not. Take 2 pieces of cardboard and cut a square out of one of them. Place them on top of each other. Paint them different colors and round off the edges. Next, take a piece of white card. Draw a bunny on the card. Every bunny needs a carrot. He's pretty cute. Then add some color. Don't forget about the carrot. Try to stay in the lines. That's one juicy-looking carrot. Cut the card into squares, just like this, and start to place them into the cardboard frame. Leave one square free, then slide the pieces around. This makes a great puzzle! It's tricky, but it's great fun. I did it! I don't need this case anymore. Let's try again. You don't need a large bank account to have fun. Just a good imagination and a little creativity. What was your favorite toy? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.